Hi, today I'd like to show you a cool new feature in the Primo April 2015 release, Featured Results. I'm now looking at the search results for philosophy and cognitive science in the Primo Central tab. And you can see in the fifth line the new Featured Results bar, which displays the books in my own repository which fit the search criteria. If, for example, I search for algorithms, the Featured Results bar shows me books from my local repository on the topic of algorithms. Now, this doesn't have to be books from my local repository. The featured results can be configured to display different media types from different search scopes. For example, in my local search tab, it is configured to show images from Primo Central. So if, for example, I search for basketball, the featured results will display the resultant images from Primo Central. Let's take a look at how you can edit and configure your own featured results bars. In the Primo back office, you go to General, Mapping Tables, search for Featured Results, click View, and choose your institution. The Featured Results bar is defined per view and tab. In this example, as we've seen, we've defined two bars, one for the Primo Central tab, which displays local results, and one for the default local tab, which displays results from Primo Central. One displays books, the other images. They both display the results as thumbnails. And the title ID will be used in order to configure the label in the code tables. Now, for demonstration's sake, let's change the configuration for the default tab to display articles from Primo Central in a list. Now let's click Save and Deploy. And if we go back to the front end and perform a new search, for example, Aristotle, we can see the list. Note that up to 10 results are displayed here, but you can click on More to display full results. So that's it for featured results. Thanks for joining us.